Yeah, I'm good. It's a little icy through here though. But if you want to try it, by all means go. You alright?
I think I broke my pinky. Hold on, Trey. Stay there for a second. I think it's still alive.
How you feeling, buddy?
Got me?
Yeah. Hey, watch that stick right there by your chest.
Oh my god. That was some funny shit. Oh. I think I broke my pinky. I just rotated it. But otherwise, I'm good.